Hey, you two. What's happening?
We'll have a sit down here. We're grinding corn today. I got this old antique corn grinder from a man over in Houston, Mississippi. With price of everything going up, I figured, hey, why can't I grind my own corn? Sack of cracked corn now is like $15, $18 a bag, depending where you buy it. So I bought 740 pounds of whole corn, which is whole corn right off the cob. And I bought this corn grinder for $100. Bought that for about $80, $90. I did the pencil and paper and math, a mathematician, and it equaled out I would be doing better by doing it myself. So what I do is I take this here, this is a butter bowl. And us country folks, we recycle. So actually this comes from the man that I bought the grinder from. I take the corn and I'm gonna pour just a little bit in here, because this takes a hot minute. Alright. And I done fed this morning, so this is just a little demonstration. I got this mounted on this 6x6 block that I found somewhere or another. And I gotta get over in here because this is gonna take me a minute. So what I do is I just turn this wheel. And it grinds the corn up. Every now and then I got to stick my finger off in this chopper. Get the corn. It gets hung up like that. It's actually doing pretty good right now. Oh, got hung up. I don't recommend doing that, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. About done, just about done. We're getting a good workout today. Alright, we're almost done. Alright, now there's still something in there. I had to take this plate off that I broke already. I tried to tighten up these here bolts, and lucky me, I broke it. Luckily, I know how to weld, and I fixed it. So, but yeah, I just took a tub full of about that much right there, and I turned it into this fine powder right there. So, I can take a bucket of corn or a tub of this, 2 tubs of this, and I'll mix it with some protein pellets or some other kind of seed or grain or something. And that's the way I've been feeding my chickens for the past couple of months. It works out excellent because I'm saving money. Yeah, I mean, a couple of minutes it takes me to grind a tub of corn, or a 2-pound butter tub worth of corn. Well, I ain't got nothing but time anyway, so. But y'all don't mind my shed. It's a little dirty. It's a lot of dirty. It's been a long winter and I hadn't had time to clean this out. We cleaned out my grandparents' shed after they went on to be with Jesus. And Papa had a lot of antique stuff, and I managed to collect a lot of it in here. I even got an old radio. One of them old big radios that got the knobs on it. And it actually still works. I plugged it in and it worked. But anyway, it's just a little quick video of me making ground corn, cracked corn, not scratch, chopped, whatever you want to call it. Does real good. This thing, you can adjust it however fine or coarse you want it right there. I want to eventually get me a little motor where I ain't got to sit here and turn this handle all day. I can just juke a button and it rotates and does what it's supposed to do. But that's in the future. So for right now, I'm gonna do it the manual way. Alright, I gotta go finish feeding what little bit of corn I got. So alright, y'all have a good one. I'll catch you later. Bye.